Hello everyone, my name is Nat. Today we're going to talk about maybe introduction to function again. So we're going to do to this again, and first we're going to go to penalized practice and then conditional. No. So let's get in. Let's jump right in. So I jump in, and here's the problem. So I got round to the nearest 5, that's a function, and 3 goes to 5. Hmm. So just round to the nearest 5. So 22 goes to what? It looked like go to 20 because 22 runs 20. This is very simple. Next, what rule could produce these outputs? So this is a little bit harder than and trickier if you don't know the function. So we need to find out the function. So we just need to find out how x goes to p. And we already got these answer here, and we need to pick the right one. So if x plus 3, so negative 2 plus 3 do it equal negative 1. No. So let's go to 2x plus 1. So if there is 2x means negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. So this is also not the correct answer. 2x plus 3 seems correct to me. I think it's the correct answer because negative 2 times 2 equals negative 4 plus 3 equals negative 1. 1 times 2 equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. So maybe the other is also right, so I would pick this. It's correct. So let's go to the next one. So what rule can produce these products? 2x plus 3. So instead of 2x plus 3, I'm just going to do minus 3 divided by 2x. No, divided by 2. So if I minus 3, I got 12 divided by 2 by 6. You need to do opposite way. So now I will find myself. So if I want 11, I would say 4. But I want to. So I choose 11. So if 4 times 2 equals 8 and plus 3 is 11. Oh, I think I put it wrong way. So if, oh, wait, did I put it right way? Oh, I did put it right. So, is that right? No, that's wrong. I put it wrong way. So x will equal 4 and px will be equal to 11. Just putting it wrong way over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. So at the end, I will show you the answer, like correct, and I want to really. I can't mode or like make the speed up that fast. I can't really make it. So let's continue. What's the function? Negative 1 to 7. But zero next one 0 to 5. So it seems like not adding because if at 8, 0 to 8, 5 is not adding 8. So what if 5 minus x? 5 minus 1? Does that equal 7? No, that equals 6. So that's already x plus 5. Negative 1 plus 5 equals 4, by the way. 2x minus 5. 2x, I will go to 2x. So I get to negative 2 minus 5, negative 6. Not correct at all. This one must be correct. 5 right here. Minus 2x, minus 2. Wait. So there we go, equals 7. 5 minus 2x means 0 equals 5. Yeah. Okay, see it? 5 minus 4 equals 1. And 5 minus 8 equals negative 3. Also correct. So let's continue, I guess. So I already got a function. I just need to find negative 1. Go to what? Oh, you just need to do the negative way. The other way around. So if I get negative 1, here I got 2 go to 1, right? So what if negative 2 goes to negative 1? Wait, no way. Ah, boring. I think I will do a very simple trick. It's correct. That would be funny. So now I can solve myself. So I know that negative 2 do not go to negative 1. But instead, if I think about it, if negative 1 was the answer, right here, it will go to add 2. So 5 add 2 equals 7. But I do not have 7. So I don't want to do add of negative 1. Next, I will try negative 5. If this is negative 5, it's my answer to negative 5. Wait, what? Wait, what? wait, it will answer to, yeah, negative 10. And I do not have negative 10. So let's try negative 2. If I try negative 2, it's at 4. So that is go to 9. You already know that. I have tried. That's fine. It's correct. That's wrong. So here is the answer. No, here is the screen. Quite not bad. I have 100 total XP for free. So I go back to here. I think I should make it like free first because you just TP to a black screen. You don't. I think you don't like that. So now I'll go to black screen first, and then now we'll go to the thing. Okay? If my calculation is correct. Here you get in. Koshi already talked a little bit. So I think I missed out on the part. So I'm gonna ask him a little bit. So here we took in condition. So 0 will turn to 0. So I see it look like that's a multiplication, right? Because if it's 0 multiplied by anything, it's still equal to 0. So what about this one? Hey, Koji. Hey. Wait. I don't know if you hear me, but Koji do not hear me. Hello, Koji. Koji don't hear me. Wait, so do you hear me?
No.
I really need to know that.
No. No.
So I think I should do because I know it's already there. Do first if possible. I'm gonna ask some text if you hear me.
Okay, how about this one?
So I can't do anything with this. No. Hello. Oh wait, what? I think my recording is recording the right sound, and Koshi is bugging a bit. Let's tap it.
Hey, let's look at this together. We need to find which rule maps each input to its output. If x equals 3, what does the first rule f of x equals x plus 2 give?
So what do we get? It seemed like minus 1. So if 2 minus 3 is equal to negative 1. If 2 minus 4 equal to negative 2. If 2 minus 5 negative 3. If 2 minus 6 negative 4. So it seems like the correct answer to me.
Well done.
So just for the fun, I'm gonna ask a
But
question.
what if the inputs span both ranges? Neither simple rule works alone.
I hope you you can hear me right now. So I'm gonna like can you hear me? Because usually Koji can't hear me, mean you can't hear me at the same time. So I really need to test if you hear me. So this is just for the funny business, okay? Can you hear me? I hope you can. So let's continue.
But you actually can't. They actually can't.
I hope they can. Let me remove this. Can you hear me? It's suspicious. Okay, let's continue doing it. Okay. I see a very long answer. I need to read first. F x equal 3x if x is smaller than less than 3. 2 minus x otherwise. Okay. So 3x, yep, 3x, yep. But this is not 3x. If x is less than 3. So 2 minus, oh, wait, it makes very big sense. It makes very big sense.
Here's the pattern. A function can be defined conditionally, meaning that it performs a different operation on different inputs. See how that works?
Can't use voice, Koji. So you can't actually hear me, I'm just
You can. There's a mic button in the chat panel. Tap it to send voice messages to me.
It don't work.
Sorry about that. Would you like to submit a bug report?
Yes, I'm submitted.
I've opened a bug report form. Go ahead and submit it when you're ready.
Okay, I'll submit it later. Let's continue doing my thing. No! I'll submit it later. Okay. Guys. No, not guys. So I need to wait for this a little bit. On the other hand, I do not want it to wait. So I use cheat 2.0. Wait a minute. Somehow it's taking back to here. I hope it's fine, everyone. Now let's speedrun this. We already know what this is supposed to be, so let's speedrun.
Yep.
I want to talk coaching
Okay,
anymore because
how about
it
this
don't
one?
let me speak. So I know it's this one.
Perfect. But what if the inputs span both ranges? Yep. Here's another conditional function. The condition is different this time.
Wait, this makes sense.
That's okay. Last problem. Which rule
This
could produce all of the outputs?
is in other stuff. 2x if x is less than 4. So it do not seem right because 3 equals 4 as well. X plus 1 if x is smaller than 4. X plus 1 if x is smaller than 4. Oh yeah, that makes sense. X minus 1 if it's not. Out.
Not a single minute.
So I go back to here. And it's a skill check. So is 3 times. So if x plus 2 if x is odd, negative x otherwise. That makes sense. Next one. X plus 6 if x is bigger than 5. So it does not make sense because look, you see this? It does not make sense. What if x plus 6? No, it doesn't make sense. If x is larger than this one. Didn't see to read the back. Yes. X plus 3 if x is less than 0. 5 minus x otherwise. Okay. So plus 3. Okay, that makes sense. And 5 minus x. So 5 minus 0 equals 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. And yeah, 5 minus 2 equals 3. So I finished. This is the end of my lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Bye. See you next time. So I didn't off this yet, but for the absolute silly, I will click off. Then on. Oh no.
Bye.
Wait, it's bugging.
See you next time.
Oh no, it's bugging. No, stop bugging. I'm lagging, sorry. My mouse is clicking like crazy. Goodbye, if you can't hear me.